And in this video I will be showing you the tier 3 or supervisor permissions. So let's go ahead and log in as a supervisor. And you will see that they have the ability to view all the BOLOs, and they also have the ability to edit any BOLOs within their own agency. So as you can see, this BOLO is their own BOLO, and they can edit, view them, archive them, and also delete BOLOs. And here, this one is not made by them, yet they still have the ability to edit, view, archive, and delete because this BOLO is within the same agency as the supervisor. These two BOLOs are not within the same agency, so as you can see, they only have the ability to view them. This also works for the archived BOLOs. Both of these are not within the same agency as the supervisor, so they only have the ability to view them. You can also see that as a supervisor, you do not have access to the admin dashboard, so you do not have admin capabilities. So that is basically a rundown of the supervisor or tier 3